We have another question here. Log 0.25. Now, log 0.25. This is what I will do. I also use the method I use it, but I will first of all change this to fraction. I have my reason. Watch. So let me change this to fraction so that I can have the same base. I want to have the same base after changing to index. I want to have the same base so that I can cancel out the way I did here. You see what I did there. So what will I do? Let me first of all change it to index. So I'll have x 8. Oh, 8 is power x is equal to 0.25. All right. Now remember that 8 is power x is equal to 0.25 is the same as 1/4. Yes, 1/4. Ow! This is the same as 25/100. The fraction for 0.25. 25 here 1, 25 here 4. That's how I got 1/4. Yes. Now 8 is power x. 8, that's 2 raised to power 3, right? Good. 2 raised to power 3. Remember that we have x there. X is still there. Is equal to 1 over, this is what? 2 raised to power 2. 2 raised to power 2. Yes. So now remember indices. Yes, indices. When you have two powers, when you have separated with a bracket, two powers separated with a bracket, you are going to multiply the powers, the two powers. So I have 2 raised to power 3x. Don't forget your laws of indices. We also use it in logarithm. Yeah. So it's equal to what I did here. That's what I want to do here again. So this is the same 2 raised to power minus 2. Indices again. Good. Now I can cancel this, cancel this. So I have 3x is equal to minus 2. Divide both sides by 3. By 3. Cancel, cancel. So I have what? X is equal to minus 2 over 3. Simple. Correct. Yes. Look at this question. Log 0.1 is 100. Yeah, I'll change the index form just as I did here. Let me say it's equal to x. So this one will be what? 100 is to power x is equal to 0.1. Yes. So this is the same as 10 raised to power 2 to power x. Yes. Is equal to 0.1 is 1 over 10. You see, I am arriving at something. Just want to have the same thing. You get it? So now this is what? 10 raised to power 2x is equal to 10 raised to power minus 1. Indices. Indices. Yes, laws of indices. X raised to power minus 1 is the same as 1 over x. That is what I just applied here. You get it? So now cancel this, cancel this. So I will have what? 2x is equal to minus 1. Divide both sides by 2 to cancel 2. So x is equal to minus 1 over 2. You may be wondering why is it log I'm doing. This week is dedicated to logarithm. Yeah, in my online class group, we dedicate this week to logarithm. So I'll be doing logarithm.